In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing using cryptocurrency and Paxful. Hence, taking advantage of the big hype going on with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Dogecoin, the BTT coins, and all the awesome coins on the cryptocurrency market today. As already said, we will be taking a closer look at doing affiliate marketing with Paxful, a cryptocurrency marketplace where you can buy, sell, trade, convert, receive, save, and earn all kinds of cryptocurrency known to mankind today. Furthermore, there's a lot you could do with Paxful when it comes to trading with cryptocurrency. But in this video, we will only be taking a look at affiliate marketing with cryptocurrency when using Paxful. You are, however, free to get inspiration for trading with cryptocurrency using the link I've provided in the link below. Be sure to get better deals with the link provided. So now, let me give you a short overview on how this video on affiliate marketing with Paxful and cryptocurrency could look like, so you know exactly what to expect. First, I'll introduce you to the cryptocurrency platform Paxful. So should you ever decide to trade with cryptocurrency someday, you know exactly what Paxful is. Or should you ever decide to make lots of money online with affiliate marketing and cryptocurrency, you could at least explain what Paxful is as well. Second, we will take a look at how to make money online using Paxful's affiliate marketing system or program. How to register and start making money online with this opportunity. Third, we'll take a look at your affiliate link, how to shorten it, make it look awesome and easy to promote. Last, we'll take a look at how to promote your affiliate link and how to start making money online with the cryptocurrency affiliate marketing program offered by Paxful. Alright now, so just head over to paxful.com and it says buy and sell digital currencies using over 350 different payment methods. Get your Paxful account to start accepting payments and send money with 5 million people just like you. So as it says, you can just use bank transfers, PayPal, any other payment method. I'm situated in Germany at the moment, that's why you see Germany here, but otherwise, there are different methods you can be using. Ecomdeed really cares about you. We really want you to earn money online no matter what. For that reason, we're doing a $250 giveaway on all our YouTube videos. Check the video description below on how to join the giveaway. Because, check this out, you can become a vendor on Paxful, meaning someone with an e-commerce shop, could be anything, a businessman, it could be a company. If you get a company to sign up for Paxful, they'll be making lots of deals and it's lifetime earning for you as an affiliate. So meaning, you can have a company come over, whatever you trade, you get money for it. This is real passive income, but you have to put in the effort. It's not easy work, but you have to put in the effort and you're certainly going to make money. Alright, so let's just check it out. Payment is done through escrow. Escrow is, for example, if someone sells, it passes through a system and this system secures the money that's been sent, that is if Bitcoin has been sent, secures the Bitcoin, and when the buyer receives the money, the transaction is then safe. Alright, so as already said, over 5 million people, it's trusted worldwide and there's billions of money that has been made in volume globally. Cool. So just read through. These are things that you can do actually, selling Bitcoin or buying Bitcoin. You can do it through bank transfer, cash for exchange. You can also do it through wallets, discount cards, through goods and services. You can do so many things with Paxful. Paxful is also featured on CoinGeek, Blockchain News, CoinDesk, Nasdaq, and Forbes. Check it out. And yes, as already said, you can become a vendor. So if you get someone who will become a vendor, then you're going to make a lot of money as well. But even if the person is not a vendor, it's just trading, it's still awesome passive income for you. Now you're just a few steps away from starting to make money online. Come over right here and go to Paxful Affiliate Program. Easily said, Paxful Affiliate, get paid for bringing people to Paxful. Very, very easy stuff. Read through. Most important thing is you earn 50% escrow free for people who buy or trade with Paxful. Earn 10% when people invited by your friends buy Bitcoin. So for example, you invite someone and the person that you invited, their friends buy Bitcoin. You also start earning. So that's it. So you can actually play this video right here. Just get some more details about Paxful I'm not gonna play it right now without any sound, but just to prevent any copyright issues. So just take your time, play the video, and so let's just continue. Alright, so why become an affiliate? You can earn Bitcoin, grow your network, and cash out. How it works: invite some friends. Actually, you can use these platforms later on also to promote or to invite. That is using Facebook, YouTube, Google, Medium, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Quora, so many other possibilities. You can then get them to trade and you can start earning. That is, if they also use all these social media platforms to advertise for you. All right, easy going. All you need to do is join today. That's it. And right here, put in your email address, your password, and you're good to go. You can register for the Paxful affiliate program from anywhere in the world. That is USA, Nigeria, China, India, Russia, you name it. Just have some patience after registering and your registration will be approved. Let's just go on with this lesson. After your approval, just come back to the Paxful affiliate program and make sure that you're going to accounts.paxful.com. Alright, so right there, you can put in your email address, your password, and let's log in. Let me show you the dashboard. Alright, so this is how the dashboard and the user area looks like. So yes, there we go. Affiliate balance. You can check your affiliates, you can check your Paxful pairs, but what we need now is just your affiliate link right here. So just copy this and we're going to go shorten the link and start making money with it. But you can actually start advertising directly from your Paxful user area by sharing on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, and so on. We're going to go shorten the link, make it look awesome, and then we're going to go share it on other platforms. So copy it and let's go. Now head over to link.link711.com, register a free account, and just paste your referral link right here and shorten it. And this is your new awesome shorten link. You can actually share this on Facebook, on Twitter. This is your QR code and it's easy. It's just 4pm.me/YMS. Easy to remember. Now I made my link look absolutely awesome. So I headed over to Canva and prepared this profile image for other social media platforms. And it's easy. 4pm.me/YMS. Very easy to memorize. So anyone can actually type it in the browser. Just download this in whatever format you wish and you're good to go. Alright, so let's wrap up this lesson. This is your awesome link. This is how it looks like. You could share it actually on other social media platforms. I've converted this link into a JPEG. You could also convert it into a video or whatever you want. But don't go around scamming, sharing the link around, because you might get banned on other social media platforms if you do so. So if it's a beautiful image, you might not get banned or you will not get banned. So stick to the image and share it on Reddit, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. But I'd suggest you also check out bitcointalk.org, and when you're actually on this platform, you can go into the Bitcoin discussions, you can go into the mining, you can go into marketplace, you can go anywhere, you can go, there's so many platforms and with millions and millions of people posting in there, millions of posts. So you could actually come fishing right here. And if we, for example, we just take a look at here in the forum moderation policies, for example, you see that people do advertise right here and there are links in there, but they're paid. But with a beautiful image like this, you could actually have profile picture advertising your link. Alright, so I'd suggest it's hard work though, it's hard work. Don't get me wrong, you have to put in a lot of effort to actually start making money online. Alright, so wish you good luck, and I'll show you a very, very awesome opportunity to make extra cash online. Just hold on. Keep trying this method over and over again. It will only work out if you keep trying. Never stop. However, if this method doesn't favor you at all, then try out this 12-minute method a single grandma adapted to making passive income online in her first week. Maybe you might also get lucky. Making money online is a never-ending process, so come back at least 3 times a week to my channel for new and latest updates on how to make money online. Happy earnings!